Looking for a dependable ink cartridge that keeps your HP printer running smoothly without breaking the bank? The 67XL Ink Cartridge Black Color Combo 2-pack offers a smart, high-yield solution designed to deliver sharp text and vibrant colors every time you print. Perfect for a wide range of HP DeskJet and Envy models, this combo pack ensures you won't run out of ink when you need it most. What sets these cartridges apart is the upgraded intelligent chip. It's fully compatible with the latest HP printer firmware, so you won't face frustrating recognition errors after updates. Whether you own a DeskJet 4100 series or an Envy 6000 series, these cartridges fit seamlessly, making installation quick and hassle-free. That means less time troubleshooting and more time getting your work done. I've tested these cartridges myself, and the print quality stands out. Text comes out crisp and clear, while colors pop with vivid accuracy. Thanks to premium ink and strict quality control, the results stay consistent page after page. Plus, the cartridges are fade-resistant, so your documents and photos hold up over time without losing their sharpness. Each black 67XL cartridge can print up to 700 pages, while the color cartridge handles around 450 pages at 5% coverage. That's plenty of printing power for home offices, students, or anyone who relies on their printer daily. The extra capacity combo pack means you get both black and color cartridges in one purchase, saving you time and money on replacements. If you're tired of cartridges that dry out quickly or fail to deliver consistent results, this 67XL combo pack is worth a look. It's designed to meet your printing needs with reliability and ease, so you can focus on what matters without worrying about ink running low or compatibility issues. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The 67XL Ink Cartridge Black Color Combo offers what you need: smart chip technology, high page yield, and professional quality prints that last. Try it when you're ready to enjoy hassle-free printing and sharp results every time.